You will have noticed in the videos in the Quick Start course that I have my Model tab available to me here and my Viewports tab available to me here. What we're going to look at are quick views that are available in AutoCAD 2009 and also 2010. The enhancement in AutoCAD 2010 is in the quick views. You now get a preview of the Model tab here as well. So let's have a look at these now. If I hover over the Viewports tab here, you'll see I get a preview of my Viewports tab. If I go to my Viewports tab like so and hover over Model, I get a preview of what's in the Model space as well. Let's go back to the Model tab there. Now, I like those tabs there because I've used those tabs for a long time, ever since AutoCAD 2000 came out many years ago. However, you can hide those tabs to give you just that little bit more screen real estate. If I right-click over the Model tab here and click on Hide Layout and Model tabs that comes up on the shortcut menu, they disappear. So how now do I move between my Model tab and my Viewports tab? Easy. They're down here on the status bar. See this icon here? That is my Model icon. This icon here is my Viewports icon. If I click there, it takes me into my Viewports tab. Now, if I had more than one layout tab, I've only got the one called Viewports in this drawing, what I would have is some little arrows there that would actually point out the different layout tabs that I could go to. Now, let's have a look at quick views. They're the icons just to the right of Model here and Viewports here. If I go to this one here, this is Quick View Layouts. Let's click on that one there. It takes a few seconds to kick in sometimes, depending on how big your drawings are. But as you can see now, I've got Model there. I can hover over it. I can plot. I can also publish. And you'll notice if I click on Viewports there, or hover over it as well, if I click on it, it takes me into it. So if I click on Model, it goes into Model. If I click on Viewports, it goes into Viewports. Again, I can also plot and publish. Now I can actually pin these open if I want to. I can also set up a new layout. I can also publish from the little toolbar there as well. Now in this particular instance, I don't want to do any of those. So what I'm going to do is click on the cross to close Quick View Layouts. Now if I was working with multiple drawings, there is also a Quick View Drawings option as well. It's this one here, just to the right of Quick View Layouts. Let's click on Quick View Drawings. Again, it takes a few seconds, it does think about it, and if you've got lots of drawings open, it will take a little while to come up on the screen. So I click here, like so, and Quick View Drawings. Now I've only got the one drawing open. Again, I can pin, I can open a new drawing, and so on. So, what happens if I float over the drawing though? Look, I've got Model, I've got Viewports, just like in Quick View Layouts. So if I've got 3 or 4 drawings, they will show up here as these views here. Now the best bit about quick views is that they are visual. As I said in previous parts of this course, a visual image paints 1,000 words. I can see that I've got drawing 311 open. I can go to Model here, like so. I can go to Viewports here, like so. And I can move around the drawing very quickly, very effectively, but with a heads-up display in front of me showing me exactly what I'm doing. Again, notice I can print or plot and I can publish as well. What I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to close my Quick View Drawings here. And what I'm going to show you now is how to get those tabs back that I like to use. And that's very easy. I just hover over either Model here or Viewports, doesn't matter which one, and right click, select Display Layout and Model tabs, and my tabs are back here just underneath my drawing. If I click on these arrows here, just goes to the end there so I can see Model and Viewports. So if I click on Model there, it's like that. If I hover over Viewports, there's my preview back. If I click on Viewports and hover over Model, there's a preview of Model as well. So I click on Model to go back and start working in my Model space. So as you can see there, Quick View Layouts and Quick View Drawings. They work very well because they are visual and you can see exactly what you're doing with your drawings and your layouts in AutoCAD 2010.